Ian, you're new to Hurco. How are you finding it?
Yeah, no, I joined in May and it's been a real interesting time. There's a lot of potential out there in the marketplace down in the southwest of England.
That's great to hear. With the VM5i that we're standing in front of here,
Yep.
can you tell me a little bit about this machine?
Yeah, this is our smallest machine we got on market. It's a 8,000 RPM spindle, 16 position tool changer, and also running our WinMax controller on the machine.
Now, with the envelope, I mean, floor space is a premium nowadays.
Yep.
This is so compact, but you've got quite a large working envelope.
Yeah, we got a 450 by 350 table. It's a nice small compact machine area around it. So for small components, it's an ideal machine.
And what about the Z-stroke?
It's 350 millimeters.
That's quite large as well, even if you're looking to hold larger components. Now, with the Max 5, I've been out on the field and I've had testimonials from some of your customers. They're absolutely loving this new software. What is so impressive about the software?
The software is just so easy to use. You can go from a drawing to cutting parts in no time. It's so quick and easy to get into production.
And what would be the lead time on a machine like this?
We're generally around about 3 to 4 weeks if the machine's in stock.
That's great. Ian, thanks for your time, so I really appreciate it.
That's right, no problem, thank you.